Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you how to fix this common problem at times we may run into. I have a USB thumb drive plugged into my computer, and as you can see, the computer can't see it. And I ran into this before with a solid state drive too, so it could work for both. And so let's get started. So as you can see, I just clicked on this computer running Windows 10, and as you can see, it doesn't show the 32 gig USB drive. So we're going to come down here and we're just going to type disk, and as you can see, we're just going to click on this guy here. Then once this comes up, we will show you here. I think I already had it open. Alright, so here it is. So yours may be labeled different or whatnot. You got to be careful here because we don't want to delete and format obviously your hard drive for your computer that has Windows or whatever running on it. So we're going to select disk 1 here. Yours might be different, so just be careful of what you select. And we're going to right click on it, and we're going to click delete volume. And it'll change to black. Alright, so now that it's unallocated, so now we're going to go ahead and right click again, click on new volume, and it'll pull up this wizard here. So we'll just hit next, and this here doesn't really matter, it can be whatever, but we're just going to let it there. And I want to format this, obviously, and I want to format it using NTFS. You may want to format it using FAT32. It's whatever you feel. We're going to let that set at default. Now we're just going to change this to USB drive, and you can rename yours to whatever. And we'll just let this quick format selected, and we're just going to hit next, and we're just going to click on finish. And just stand by. Obviously, the bigger the hard drive, maybe the longer it may take. Alright, so now we have a healthy partition, and it's showing the what it shows here, 28.6 gig out of 32. And if we switch over to our folder here, now you can see it. So hopefully this helps some people out, and stay tuned for another one.